Hi everyone, it's Dr. K here, sending blessings on your September. It is actually my birthday month. Yay! It's always powerful. Your birthday month is powerful. It brings the unseen into the scene, and it also is the time of the eclipses, which does the same, brings the unseen into the scene. So the invitation is to start looking underneath as to how have I done this year? What is there yet left for me to do in the next few months? And what is there for me to do is to go back and send you the videos that I have done as part of my healing series many years ago. They were my first videos. You'll see the liver was my very first seminar in front of people, and I was so nervous, but it was really good. The information in there is so good, especially the heart and the endocrine system. And I want to recycle them and send them back and have you, when you're doing your dishes or doing your laundry, just listen to them. And my invitation and my ask is, tell me what you are seeing and hearing. Tell me what questions you have, and tell me how I can go deeper on giving you more information about the human body,